Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by wiring up the essentials so requests work reliably. First, ensure your Vue project uses Vue CLI or Vite and you have Axios or Fetch available. Create a small API, JS util that sets base URL, common headers, and timeout so you don't repeat configuration. Once done, move sensitive keys into env and reference them via process. Env to avoid leaking secrets. This setup saves time later and makes subsequent calls predictable and easy to manage. Next, integrate API calls into your components with clear state management so UI stays responsive. In a component, trigger requests in mounted or created. Set loading equals true before the call, then update reactive data or commit to Pinia/Fuchs. Once the response arrives, map raw payload fields to UI-friendly models and set loading equals false. Make sure to handle pagination and caching for repeated requests, and centralize error handling to keep components focused on rendering rather than net. Finally, wrap up by solidifying error paths and testing so the feature is robust in production. Add retry or exponential backoff for transient failures, and show user-friendly error messages while logging details for debugging. Once implemented, test with mocked responses and inspect the Network tab to verify headers and payloads. If something breaks, check CORS, token expiration, and console errors first. Often a misconfigured base URL or missing authorization header is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.